Hello YouTubers, since you've come on this video, you must probably want to know on how to solve the 2x2x2. And this is a cube which doesn't take much algorithms, it only takes 2 of them. But the second one's harder, first is easy. So let's just go ahead and unsolve it first. For the first step on how to solve it is to unsolve it. Okay, we've done random shit now. Okay, let's start with orange side. I don't know why I took it. It's just random. And let's just get all the pieces of the orange. And then, yeah, we've got all of orange, but the top layer is kind of induced up. So we've got to switch these two, if I'm not wrong. Then we do right twice. Oh, wait, no. We've got to switch this one and this one. No, actually, the fact is you can hardly find anything that you have to switch. So first off, you go on looking for something that's common in two of them. Or you can just screw up and make any of them go anywhere else. Okay, we've got these two yellows. Now these two adjacent sides have to be screwed up together. So if you want to screw them up together, do right down, down left, right up, left down, down left, left up. Oh, and right down, down left, right up. Okay, we've got the first layer done already. So now, first thing we got to do is solve the Rubik's Cube! Kidding. Okay, so I just got lucky that time, and I noticed that I got lucky, and I've come back to the form that I was on before. So you've got to take this part. You see, the opposite of orange is supposed to be red. So there's one red in the exact correct place that we are going to get all the other reds up. To do that, we do right invert, down invert, right, up, down, right invert, down invert, right, up, down. Then go to the next side, invert, down, right, down, right invert, down, right, down. Next side, right invert, down, right, down, right invert, down, right, down. Okay, now we've got this shit. Now, these two yellows, we can just put them to yellow here. And then these two just have to be replaced. You see, it's going to be a short video. These two have to be replaced. And this side is staying away from us. So, take the right one. Do top, right, top invert, left invert, top, right invert, top invert, left. Now, if you see properly, then you just have to do one more top to make all of them come together. Now, all of them are in the correct place. Start from anywhere. I'll start from here, and then start doing right, invert, bottom, invert, right, bottom, invert, bottom, right, bottom. And then go to the next side, right, invert, bottom, right, bottom. And then final side, this is going to be the final move. Okay, now you've got it. Okay, wasn't that a short and easy video? I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then please subscribe. And this is Idish signing out. Bye-bye.